Hello friend, welcome back. In our previous video, I already discussed about that things with you, how can edit your all that rules, and when you click on the edit, then all that edit page will be visible on here, right? And also it should be selected all with the permissions. So in this video, I will show you like if you want to update the name, the display name, description, and also the update the permissions and click on the update, then these all the things will be updated, and it's also updated in our permissions rules table, and also it should be updated in our rules table. Okay. So how can do that work? For doing this here in our route, I already defined one of the page as the edit with the ID, and here with the admin, that is our controller, that is the rules controller. Here now I want to access that method, that means the update method. So now we have to work on particular that page. For doing this in our route controller, so that is actually our update method. So the update method will be just like our store. Like here I already created one of the method. Okay, for now I just copy all things from here. Like that is actually on particular that position. So I just copy it. Yeah, I just copy it, and here after that, like into this position, that is our update. I just paste that things on here. So each and everything will be the same on here. Okay, like there is actually the required string, and that is the name request and some of the message. So right now I don't want to show that string. Okay, so I just only want to make the things permission as a required, and also that is actually the rule, and here I created one of the object. So right now I want to do with another way, and first of all here we have to actually get all that ID. Okay, here you can see they have some of the ID, so we have to get that ID. So into the role here, first of all I want to find it. So here I just define the find method, and into the find here I just defining that ID. So here I just find that ID on particular that position, and before updated I want to do one things like when will be updated, then first of all this rule, that means that is a role ID. So this all the rule ID will be the delected, and after delete this rule will be the updated. So first of all he will be delected, then it will be update. So for doing this we have to do in our that positions, like there is our role saved. Okay, after that here I want to add one of the things like as a db, and db I just define the table, and here I just defining the table name. So our table as a permissions rules, so here I just define the permissions rules table. Okay, so before update, first of all he will be delete all that rule ID data, and then it should be updated. Okay, so I want to do that to work. So for the reasons here I just define one of the where condition, and here I just define where condition, and where condition is will be our that is a role ID will be matched with our ID. So here I just defining as a role underscore ID, and then here I just defining our ID. So that means actually this ID is better. I just copy it, and here I just assign that thing some particular that position. And first of all he will be deleted all the data, like here I just defining as deleted. Okay, so delete method I just defining on here. So first of all he will be delete, and then again I just added the for each, that means he will be updated all the permissions again. So I hope you can well understand about it, what exactly the things I want to do on particular that position. And after that here I just return and redirect that, put the actions, it will be redirected to our index method, and in our index method I just define as our list page. Okay, and here there is a success message as role I just define now as updated. Okay, updated successfully, this type of message will be visible. It should be work. Now let's check this out. I just click on the save all, and now if you refresh that page, so here that is our edit page. For better I just do the things from the beginning. So into the rules. Okay, so first of all here I want to update that blogger, so here I just click on the edit. So now it's redirected to our edit with the ID. Okay, and also there is a blogger, so I just define as a blogger update. And now I also want to define as a display blogger update, this description as a blogger update. And for the permission here I just remove one of the permission as a permission Ariyan. Okay, here I only define the two permission. And first of all here, as I told you, first of all he will be deleted all the things from the role ID, and then it should be updated. So now I just click on the update. Yes, now you can see it's now showing as a role updated successful. And also here you can see that actually the name is updated, display name is updated, and description is also updated. And here for the permission, I just remove one permission from here. Now it's gone from this area. Hope you can well understand about it. And for the author, like they have no permissions right now. I just want to update it. Like here, I just define that only one updated. Better, I just define as the Ariyan. Okay, now click on the update. Yeah, you can see now it's perfectly visible on here. So I hope you can well understand about it, how the things I did, okay, for the update that functions. So now it's perfectly updated. So in our next video, I will work in our destroy method, like there is actually destroy. And also here, I just define one of the button or the delete. And here for the delete in our list page, so that is actually the method delete. And I just define one of the URL as a back your rules and the delete. So in our next video, I will show you how can delete that all your rules from to this list. Hope it will be very much clear to you. So thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.